Hi guys! Good morning and good day to everyone. So, ito nga, magtalakayan tayo. So, kung meron kang gustong gawin sa buhay mo, gusto mong magpagupit, magpakulay ng buhok, magpakilay, magpapayat, magpataba, or anything that you wanna do in your life, just do it. As long as wala kang nasasagasaan na tao, as long as na hindi illegal, as long as na hindi ka nagnanakaw, hindi ka nakakaagrabyado ng ibang tao sa paligid mo, do whatever the heck you wanna do in your life. That's your life. You can do whatever pleases you. As long as na hindi ka nakakasagabal, hindi ka nakakaagrabyado, hindi ka nakakapanakit ng ibang tao. You know what I mean? Just do whatever you want. Don't let people dictate what you wanna do sa buhay mo. Kasi buhay mo yan eh. So this is a free country. You can do whatever the heck you want. Just make sure na hindi illegal at wala kang naaagrabyado o nasasaktang ibang tao. Okay? Yun lang yun. Huwag mo nang gawing stressful ang life mo. Easy lang yan as long as na wala kang ginagawang masama. Kung nakakapagpasaya sa'yo at hindi masama, hindi illegal, just do it. Yun yun. Huwag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo. Okay? Yun lang yun. Para hindi ka nang dadamay ng pagkamuryot mo. Okay? Do whatever the heck you want. Okay? Yun lang. Bye!